Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to post photo or video on Facebook. So for this, let's open our Facebook app. Once the app is open, now here on the top right side, we have this green icon of photo. So click on it and then you will be directed to your gallery. So from here, choose the photo or video that you want to post. So let's say I want to go with this image here. So I will choose the image and now you can write caption for your photo. So simply I will go with the emojis. Now to edit the image, click on edit and from here you can change the filters. So I will go with this one. Once you are done with editing, then click on done. Now if you want to add more images with this one, so simply scroll down and click on add more. So again you will be directed to your gallery and from there you can choose multiple images. So I will go with this one and then click on next. So as you can see, another image is added. Also you can change the audience for your post. So you can customize it from here. Okay, next we have tagging option. So here, the second icon we have tagging. Click on it, and from here you can choose the people to whom you want to tag in the post. So now, then we have the fourth option, which is location. So you can add the location from here. So I will go with the first one, and once you are done, then click on post on the top right corner. As you click on post, it will start publishing here. So here it will take few seconds and then your post will be published. As you can see, the person is tagged and the location is added too. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.